Okay, so we'll take every single y value. So again, going back up here, 1.6, 2.4, 2.0. We take every single one of these y values and subtract the 2.15. So we have 1.6 minus 2.15, and we have 2.4 minus 2.15, and then we have 2 minus 2.15, 2.6 minus 2.15. This is a lot of calculations, just throwing that out there. 2.1 minus 2.15. And then we have 2.2 minus 2.15. And what we have to do is we have to actually calculate each one of these and then add them all up. So s of xy equals 1 over 5 times, okay, so 4 minus 8 is 4, and then 1.5 minus 2.15, sorry, 1.6 minus 2.15, negative 0.55, plus 8 minus 8 is 0, so we don't even have to include that one. Next, 10 minus 8 is 2. And 2 minus 2.15 is negative 0.15. Okay, next, 9 minus 8 is 1 times 2.6 minus 2.15. I get 0.45. Okay, 11 minus 8 is 3. Times 2.1 minus 2.15. Negative 0.05. And then I'm just going to squeeze this in here. Plus 6 minus 8, I get negative 2. Times 2.2 minus 2.15, I get 0.05. Okay, and sorry, this 4 minus 8 was negative 4. Okay, I'm going to just simply put them into my calculator. Negative 4 times negative 0.55 plus 2 times negative 0.15 plus 0.45 plus 3 times negative 0.05 plus negative 2 times 0.05. I get 2.1, so 1 over 5 times 2.1, I get 0.42. So the covariance for this one is 0.42. Okay. Now, let's actually take a look at how to find the correlation coefficient, and then I'm going to show you how to do it on Excel. Okay, so here's the formula for correlation coefficient. So yes, this stuff is dry. You have to sit here, and it's so important that you plug these numbers in correctly. So for the top, I have n, which is 6. And then what did we get when we added up all the xy's? We get 105.3. So 6 times 105.3. Then we're going to subtract the sum of the x's, which was 48. And then times the sum of the y's, which was 12.9. Okay, now on the bottom, don't miss that root sign, so important. Now, first bracket, because there's 2 brackets and they're multiplied by each other. So n, which is 6, times the sum of the x squared. So the x squareds added up to 418 minus the sum of the x's, which is 48. And what we're doing with that one is that number we're actually squaring. So this is the sum of the x's and then square that. So that's the first bracket. Now the second bracket, 6, which is n, and then the sum of the y squareds, which is 28.33. Minus the sum of the y's, which we get 12.9, and then square that. Okay, now let's plug this into our calculators. So we have 6 times 105.3 on the top minus 48 times 12.9. Again, all on the top. I get 12.6 on the top. Then I'm going to do this in 2 brackets on the bottom. 6 times 418 minus 48 squared. I get 204 times, and I have 6 times 28.33 minus 12.9 squared. I get 3.57. Now, let's multiply those. 204 times 3.57. I get 728.28. Now, let's root that. So I get 12.6 over 26.986. 12.6 divided by 26.986. I get 0.46, and let's just round to 7, 467. Okay, so we see 0.47. We see 0.42. Okay, so what does the 0.47 mean? Well, if we take a look back up here, we can take a look at, first of all, it's positive, right? And it lands between this 0.33 and this 0.67. So it's a moderate positive linear correlation. So this one right here, this was the correct answer. And that's how you find the correlation coefficient.